Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know, at this channel we are law-abiding citizens, who believe in the rule of law, and we support our security forces in Jamaica because we want to get rid of the crime that's there. Criminals have been wreaking havoc on the people there. But we, as a people, we are not giving up. We are still fighting the good fight. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel want to use this opportunity to wish each and every subscribers and viewers of the channel a happy new year. A happy 2023. A special new year to the Justice League, of which I am a proud member. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel know that 2023 is going to be a very challenging year. And if we want to see changes, it must start from within. Us, as a people. We cannot rely on divine intervention and God is going to do this for us and God is going to do that for us. Faith without action is dead. So we're not relying on without any faith. We want action with faith. So we want everyone to be on board this fight to restore back Jamaica to its glory days. We want to see change. It must start from within us, from the home. We know that a lot of people in higher powers enjoy the status quo because it makes them rich. Crime is a business. Crime is a business. And a lot of people are making crazy money from this thing that's ripping the country apart. Therefore, as a community, we must ditch the moniker informer for dead and proudly promote informers. And informing is my civic duty as a citizen. So we want to make it known and make it clear that our Prime Minister is the #1 informer. So we have to give him credit for that. He's the informer in chief. Yes, man, St. Andrew Holiness is the first Prime Minister of Jamaica to visit the United States of America and tell them that, look, we have a whole heap of guys here, selling drugs and making money, and they are causing havoc in Jamaica. So we want you guys to watch these people, monitor them phone and stuff like that, so that you can send them to prison. Because by sending them to prison, you're breaking up the network and saving lives back home. So that goes to show you that, he trusts the law enforcement agency in America, the FBI. The CIA is all about intelligence driven. They are part of the law enforcement, part of the Department of Defense. So, it's a different kettle of fish that. But we appreciate that, being an informer, because it's every citizen's civic duty. And you have to understand, informers are brave people, Informers are not cowards, And the reason why I'm saying that informers are not cowards, because whenever a crime is committed against another Jamaican and these people witness it and give statement to the police, report what they have seen, knowing that, they all carousing and they all corobunkers and the parasites and, would come and kill them. But they themselves, they know that they are dying for a good cause because they want a better Jamaica. So all of these witnesses who were killed by terrorists in Jamaica and then the criminals they walk. We need more people to step up. But, as a Jamaican called me a few days ago and said that, Mr. Porter, it's easy for you to say, but Jamaica, you don't understand, Jamaica is not the Jamaica that you know now, sir. Yes, because my mother tell me, say, Jamaica is different Jamaica now. And you can't trust the police because the police and the gunman them and the Dan, them lean up on light pole and the police in them uniform with them M16 M16 I'm side, and the two of them that they are smoke weed, and the police them that they are smoke weed, and I drink Guinness with bad man. Me, if you go tell them nothing, you must be mad. You want me them kill me? No, sir. So I was saying, I told the person, well, call Crime Stop. They don't even believe in the system because they say the entire system is corrupt. And I don't want people to give up hope on Jamaica, because we know that the system is corrupt, but it can be cleansed, and it can be cleansed from within. But we know that the good, most Jamaicans are cowards. When it comes on to be our brother's keeper and zero tolerance with criminal and crimes, and most of them are cowards. Very few in the police force is willing to even stand up against corruption. And I know MacArthur Sutherland is one of them. I know DSP Wade. Yeah, man, DSP Wade. I know DSP Wade is a man that lock up police, thief in police who are who trouble little pitney. You understand? So we know that we have police there who are unafraid of doing their job, and they are not fearful of none of these gangsters in the police force. So the change have to start from within. I myself, when I was there, I was trying to cause change from within, but the resistance from the hierarchy of the police force was deafening, because the same people that you want to report, these people work for them. If you see someone strange in your area, the best way to get the police attention, and I am telling you, as a farmer detective, is to tell, when you call 119, is to tell them at 119 that there is, or there are strange person or strange people, whether it is a man or a woman or men or women, in your community, and it seems like they have guns. I am telling you, police respond, because this is control is going to call them. By using the word guns, the police will be there in a jiffy, because the police job is to get the guns off the streets and take out the parasites who are a menace to the law-abiding citizens in Jamaica. Remember, not everyone will share your worldview, because some of the people are criminal-minded, and I can tell you as a fact, as a Jamaican born, bred, raised, work, and then migrated to the United States because of the corruption I have witnessed in the police force. And we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel want to see changes to the landscape, and it must start from the top. The Prime Minister, St. Andrew Holness, has done something that no other Prime Minister has done before, by becoming an international informer, by supplying the names of Jamaicans who are in the United States of America and fueling the murder on the island. And we applaud that effort to curtail the killings. Do you notice who did not applaud the man's action? The PMP LGBTQ plus party and its leadership, a deafening silence from the creators and godfathers of the Klansman gang. Do you want a better Jamaica? I have asked that question of members of the Jamaica Young Police Channel WhatsApp group, and a majority of them read the question and did not answer because of reasons unknown, unless they are criminal supporters or cowards. The ones who have responded in the group are not afraid, because they know that forcing or getting a chance take actions and will create enemies. As us at this channel, we do not care who we offend, because we want a better Jamaica. We are going to outline something that the Prime Minister needs to do to reduce corruption in Jamaica. And if he does this, then we know that Jamaica will be the capital of the Caribbean and Africa. If not, we are going to be Haiti, a failed state controlled by criminals. And you better believe it. That is what is going to happen. And before I continue any further, have you subscribed to the channel as yet? Yes, man. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Now, please like the video. Click on the notification bell and select all. So that when we at the Jamaica Young Police channel upload a video, you will be the first person to get the notification. Yes, man. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Moving on. Here are some things that the Prime Minister must do to eliminate or reduce corruption in Jamaica. First, he needs to ask for help from the FBI, Scotland Yard in London, England, and the Royal Canadian Mounted Police in Canada to investigate from the top of the government ministers, members of parliament, every government agency employee and their members with special powers of arrest to weed out the corruptors and make these agencies a part of our law enforcement agencies without any restriction of going after corrupt officials in Jamaica. Doing this is and will be the start to a better Jamaica. And let's see which politicians and elitists are against the same. Because we know that the educated criminals are going to scream out, sovereignty, sovereignty, and we are a free and independent country and we don't want any outside help. Because they all criminal, they want the status quo to remain. They want the cesspool to continue to stink up Jamaica in the global arena. The Prime Minister has set the tone as the chief informer and also the Commissioner of Police. And we want the citizens to follow suit to make Jamaica a better place for people to live, raise a family and work. That's all we want. Happy New Year to every Jamaica Young Police channel subscribers and viewers. Thanks for your loyal support and continue to support the channel. And guess what? I am telling you, just saddle up your seatbelt because the ride, trust me, is going to blow a lot of people brain. Because we're going to unravel some things here. So please saddle up, because what is coming from this channel is going to unravel and expose a lot of corruption from within the police force with pressure from the political class. Have yourself a beautiful day and a happy new year from the Jamaica Young Police channel and its viewers and subscribers. Remember that cowards do not cause changes to occur in any society, and those who will take the bull by the horn and cause change, we applaud them. Those who are willing to stand up for Jamaica and are ready to defend this, we want to start today. Not only by behind any computer or anything like that. You can do your part. If you see something, say something. We want a better Jamaica. Happy New Year. Jamaica Young Police channel out. Have yourself a beautiful day and all the best to you and your family. Peace.